Jai Gurudev. My name is Kalpita Chaudhary from SSRVM Moshi. SSRVM Moshi is presenting before you Zogwa. Zogwa is a traditional folk dance and ritual from Maharashtra performed as an offering to please the goddess, especially Yallamma or Renuka Devi. The term Zogwa refers to a form of religious begging by a devotees who dedicate their lives to the deity. The dance is typically performed in vibrant costumes with energetic movements, often accompanied by folk songs and traditional instruments like dholki and sambar. It is deeply spiritual, reflecting devotions and submission to the goddess, and is a significant part of rural festivals and religious ceremony in the state of Maharashtra.
जोगवा वाढ ग माय, जोगवा वाढ. कवड्यांच्या माळेविना तुझा शृंगार हा अपूर्ण. भाकर तुकडा असला की तुझा नैवेद्य होई पूर्ण. जोगतिणीची तू आई तुझी भिक्षा गोळा केली. तुझ्या नावाचा करून उदो उदो जोगवा मागत आली.